Ladies and gentlemen, the PayPal credit card is a fantastic option if you're looking for an online credit card that'll allow you to do shopping at tons of retailers. There's also a bunch of rewards, but we will discuss all of this in the video to follow. So if that's what you're interested in, let's get into it. So the big question, how does the PayPal credit card actually work? Well, PayPal's credit card allows you to finance your purchases at millions of online retailers. This means when you check out with PayPal, you can opt for the PayPal credit, which basically enables you to make purchases and then pay them off over time like any other credit card. So to get started, you need to apply for the PayPal credit account, which provides you with a credit line. Once you've been approved, you can use your credit line to shop anywhere that PayPal is accepted. Also, this would be applicable to different regions or countries, but it's a seamless way to enjoy your purchases while paying later and getting your products now. Some of the benefits, of course, is the instant credit line. You actually get approved really quickly, allowing you to make purchases with no delays. There's no annual fees. There is special financing offers, which means PayPal frequently offers promotional financing options, such as no interest for 6 months on purchases over a certain amount. This could really be greatly beneficial. Also, it's a fantastic integration since it's linked to your PayPal account. Using the PayPal credit card is super convenient for any online shopping. And as I mentioned earlier on, there are tons of retailers that are connected with. So there are lots of places that you can make purchases with. They also offer a rewards program, so you can actually earn cash back on eligible purchases, giving you that extra value while you're spending. So to wrap things up here, the PayPal credit card is a fantastic option if you do a lot of online shopping, and with the added rewards program, you can actually get some more bang back for your buck. If this video was helpful, go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you next time.